Teachers are finding it very difficult these days to manage children because after the pandemic, when they have joined back, they have far more lower span of attention as they used to have. The things have changed. They were
Yeah.
so much into online classes and used to that pattern that now it is becoming difficult for them to adapt to the offline mode. This is the practical problem we faced. So how we did it was that from the regular number of periods, I don't know how you divide your classes, but from the within the curriculum we introduced some of the fun periods, bagless periods, more of physical exercises, then some boosters for them where they feel happy about it, starting off with the quizzes so that they get back on track, that they enjoy the company of each other, because children have forgotten how they used to interact socially, face to face. So it was all about, and same was with the teachers. They otherwise would stand, would move, would be very energetic, but because of the pandemic they were also used to this mode that they are sitting and taking the class. So that transition, some sort of brainstorming needed to be done. So we did that together in a QCT, if you know. This is quality circle time.
I
So
like
we did
that.
the QCT. We sat together in a circle, we brainstormed and came out with a few tips. And many of them tried and shared with other teachers. And gradually, we were successful in bringing them back together. This is what I feel helped them. And I suggest all the teachers, educators out there, irrespective of the age group of your students, do conduct weekly QCTs with them. There are certain rules for the QCT, but if you do that, do without obstructions and do sit in a circle so that everyone can face each other, guided by certain rules, have some sentence stems, some starters, and do not judge anyone when they say something or share something. So this can be a beautiful, beautiful exercise for you as an educator as well as for the students.